helposti asuntoja. Do you remember?
Leppäviita 3.
Yeah, but I mean,
No,
then it's building name or?
No name. It's some asuntosäätiö.
So then it's only the address.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's Aldungen 3 Stekis. Be here, just film the Stekis here. Number is 1574 B. Schindler Smart built in 2002, turning 20 years old this year. 2022, and capacity is 8 buses or 600 grams. It's going to be expected this year in 2022 as well. 5 tons. But this one got all those buttons that they don't need.
Yeah.
Even the dot or a decimal. If there is a half floor, but it doesn't have a half floor here. And down below is the 0 for the main floor. The Schindler logo bara floor out. The arrows are working here. In the sticky saying it's broken.
Yeah.
That arrow indicator is broken.
It's did by Kiwais, but maintained by Don.
Yeah. And let's just turn.